I just got an iPad off of eBay, and one thing you should do when you get an iPad or an iPhone or some type of electronics, besides disinfecting it with a wipe, is the very first thing I usually do is I just factory reset it, because I don't know what's been done to it before since it's been shipped to me. So on this iPad here, it's an iPad 11. I'm just going to go about factory resetting it. So I went under settings, click on general, scroll down to transfer, so general transfer reset iPad, and then erase all contents and settings. Let's get to this page, just click continue, erase iPad, and let it go. So why would you do this? Again, you're not sure what kind of software has been installed previously. So just for safety reasons, it makes sense to factory reset it, even though it seems like it's in the factory reset state when you get it. I still factory reset it afterwards, just as a safety precaution, and go through setup. Hopefully it wipes any unknown apps from the iPad, and so you're good to go and use it. So just a safety precaution. Over and out, and don't forget to wipe it off with a disinfectant wipe so that it's clean. It's a good idea, just because, again, you don't know who's been handling this. If you bought something used, you just better to err on the side of caution. Over and out.